Namaste. Welcome to this short little video on supporting our lumbar spine. We're first going to begin with a gentle back extension, and then we will finish off with a counter pose, bringing our spine into flexion. We'll also be targeting the hip as well. So let's go ahead and find a comfortable, let's lay down on our mat. All we need is a mat. Lay on your belly. If you feel like you need some support beneath your chest, you can put like a little blanket there. If you want, it's an option. So bringing yourself to Sphinx pose. So bring your elbows right beneath the shoulders so you're in a propped up position. Okay. And then we're going to take our right leg and externally rotate it. So you're just going to turn the leg out as you bend the knee and bring the knee to a 90-degree angle out to the side, and you might be off your mat, and that's okay. Okay, so targeting the hip area, targeting the psoas as well while we're here. And then just bring your gaze forward and taking your gaze up towards the sky to where you feel comfortable. If it's too much on your neck, you can keep your head down. If you keep your head down, you can turn your head side to side. Kind of explore and see what feels good to you. Try bringing your head up, see how far you can go, and just come to a place that is within your comfort zone. And after a few breaths here, go ahead and slide your hands back so that they're underneath your shoulders. While they're still on the mat, bring your elbows close in towards your body, and we're just going to do a little push-up here. Lifting up, just like a baby cobra, lifting up. And then exhale, coming down. And do this about 5 times at your own pace. Following your breath. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come down. After your 5th one, go ahead and make a pillow with your hands and rest your forehead. Taking a few more breaths. And then coming into that back extension one more time, bringing your elbows underneath the shoulders. Your right leg is still propped into that 90-degree angle, external rotation of your leg. Again, just taking a few breaths, bringing that awareness to the lumbar spine. Making sure that your shoulders are not crunched up towards your ears. Bring those shoulders back. Very nice. And then go ahead and extend that right leg. Just bring it back to neutral position. And then just rest your body. Make a pillow with your hands. Rest your forehead, or maybe turn your head to one side. And just notice how your right leg and right hip feels compared to the left. Bring your awareness to the sensation in your low back lumbar spine. And imagine just sending your breath to wherever you need it today, especially in the low back, the lower body. And when you're ready, we're going to come back up to that Sphinx position. So bring those elbows underneath the shoulders, propping yourself up once more. Now we're going to take the left leg. We're going to externally rotate it, bend the knee, and bring your leg to a 90-degree angle. Okay. And this side might feel different, especially if one hip bothers you more than the other. One side is generally not uncommon for one side to be tighter than the other. So just do your best. So coming into that Sphinx, and again, kind of exploring with your cervical spine, your neck. Maybe drop the chin, you could shake your head around. If that feels pretty good, maybe you lift it a little higher. If that's feeling pretty good, maybe you look up towards the sky. Again, finding your area of comfort. Taking a few breaths here. And now let's slide those hands down so that they're lined up right underneath the shoulders and you come laying on your chest. We're going to do a couple of little push-ups or baby cobras. So on your inhale, just go ahead and lift, and maybe it's just lifting your head. And then exhale, come down. Inhale up, doing it 5 times. Exhale down. 3 more times at your own pace. After that last one, make a pillow with your hands and just rest your head. Breathing into your back body. Noticing any sensations you may be feeling in the low back, the hip, your inner thigh. And now bringing yourself up to that Sphinx pose one more time. Leg is still in that 90-degree, externally rotated. And again, finding what feels good. And just notice at the second time around if you have more space, it feels a little easier. Just notice. And now let's go ahead and straighten that left leg. Bring it back into neutral, both legs straight, taps the feet flat in the mat. And then just relax your whole body. Bring your forehead to the mat, or maybe placing the opposite side of your head down. Let your heels flop to the sides. Let your whole body be supported. Bringing your awareness to both of your legs, both of your hips, your lumbar spine, your low back. And sending your breath to wherever you need to help relieve any tension that still may be lingering about. Now on your next inhale, bring your hands on your mat right beneath the shoulders, and we're going to gently bring ourselves back to child's pose. So go ahead, bend your knees, bring your butt back, walk your knees in. Your knees could be apart or together, your choice, and just sit back on your heels and extend your arms, coming into child's pose, bringing our spine now into flexion. We've been doing all back extension, so now we're going to nourish that low back and do the opposite. And once again, as you sink into this pose, bring your awareness to the low back, to the hips, taking some deep breaths and just giving yourself permission to let go of anything that you're holding on to, whether that's physically, emotionally. And then slowly just beginning to walk your hands towards your body, coming to a seated position. And thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you next time. Namaste.